Where nature meets medicine. New customers save 20% on their first order. 15% OFF every day on orders over $150. Coupon code 15 off 150. More active ingredients. Full spec CBD plus minor cannabinoids plus terpenes plus botanicals. Fast delivery. Free same-day shipping. Everyday low prices. Subscribe and save 20%. Plant medicine is real medicine. Shop our pharmacologist formulations. CBD tinctures. CBD tablets. CBD topicals. CBD gummies. CBD for migraines. CBD for pets. CBD plus CBDA plus CBG CBD plus CBN plus CBG. Gift cards. How can CBD help you? Concentrated full-spectrum CBD plus concentrated terpenes plus plant botanicals pharmacologist formulated. CBD and pain management. CBD and anxiety relief. How CBD works. Importance of the entourage effect. What makes us the best. CBD drug interactions. Establishing your CBD dose. RX Remedies key ingredients. Featured products. Concentrated full-spectrum CBD plus concentrated terpenes plus minor cannabinoids. Formulated by our board-certified toxicologist and pharmacologist with over a decade of experience in plant-based medicine. CBD plus CBDA plus CBG, mint multicannabinoid, sativa terpenes, energizing. $69.99 to $129.99. CBD plus CBN plus CBG, mint multicannabinoid, indica terpenes, sedating. $69.99 to $129.99. CBD plus CBDA plus CBG, orange multicannabinoid, sativa terpenes, energizing. $69.99 to $129.99. CBD plus CBN plus CBG, orange multicannabinoid, indica terpenes, sedating. $69.99 to $129.99. Advanced equine supplement for pain and inflammation. $124.99 to $199.99. View complete product line. Popular questions about CBD. What is CBD? Cannabidiol, CBD, is one of the 100-plus cannabinoids naturally produced by both the hemp and cannabis plant. Marijuana is more accurately described as cannabis. CBD is highly therapeutic, non-addictive, and non-intoxicating. Cannabinoids act on receptors found throughout the body, allowing for its therapeutic benefits. What are cannabinoids? What is the difference between full spectrum, broad spectrum, and isolate? What are terpenes? What is the entourage effect? What is the endocannabinoid system, ECS? How much should I take? Why are terpenes important? Why does third-party testing matter? Will CBD get me high? Is CBD legal? Learn more. Testimonials. What our happy clients are saying about us. Need more information? For free CBD consultation, call 888-RXREM01, 888-797-3601. Contact us.